as you can see, your living area is designed in a very unique manner. The kitchen again, if you notice, is extremely huge, and this is going to be your master bedroom. If you can already notice, this is... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I'm Niklas and today we will be doing the sample flat of DSR Skymark by the DSR Developers project, which is located in Nana Karamguda, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project, and as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. So this is going to be your marketing office and your land parcel is exactly below your marketing office. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now, unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. So the first one is going to be your project overview. You see, DSR Skymark will be constructed on 7 acres of land parcel, and it's going to feature 4 towers with 4 basement plus ground and 40 or 42 floors, having 4 BHK premium residences. Now, let's have a look at the amenities part. So over here, you are going to get a lot of curated set of amenities like a sports courts, clubhouse, indoor and outdoor sports courts, gymnasium, and a lot more. Now, next one is the location of the project. As you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located on the Nana Karamguda Service Road Financial District. Now, this is going to be an entire connectivity of the road, and that side of your road connects you to the financial district and other areas. You see, Nehru Outer Ring Road is only 250 meters away from here, your financial district again being only 15 minutes away, and all your other IT hubs also being just 20 minutes away from here. So everyone, now we will be doing the actual sample flat tour of DSR Skymark, and the configuration for 4 BHK is 5,454 square feet. So as we enter, you first have this huge door which also comes with wooden texture, and you have your fingerprint system and your lock system given on the door. Now, this is going to be your living area, and as you can see, your living area is designed in a very unique manner. So you have spacious corners starting from all the way here up to that corner of your house. And when you notice this side of the living room, you will have a window area space given on this side of the room. And then the entire ceiling has inbuilt lightings, and the AC system is also already inbuilt. Then, like I mentioned, you have one more corner for your living area at this side of the corner. So if you want, you can turn that or design it however you choose to. Now, the very best part about the house is, if you can notice, the entire flooring that has been given is proper marble flooring in the house. Now, as we come inside, we will have our second living area. So if you want, you can also turn that into a huge dining area if you have a big family, or a guest area, design it however you like. If you can see, this entire space is so spacious that even if you add a lot of chairs and tables, you can still add up and design the unit however you like. At this side of the unit, you can even place a huge TV because the wall is very huge. And if you notice, the entire interior designing that has been given to your house, like your walls and everything, also has a little bit of marble flooring, and the walls are also designed uniquely. Now, this side, like I mentioned again, you can turn this into your dining area, or you can choose to design it however you like. Now, in front of that, we have our balcony, which is again extremely spacious. You have proper flooring done for that. You can place your plants, you can add tables, chairs, design it however you like. You have electric units given on both the sides. Now, you have proper glassware railing also done here for your safety reason. You have a very nice view of your entire society from outside here. Now, if you look to this corner of the house, you have a small puja house system given over here. So if you want, you can turn that into your puja corner or design it however you like. And then right beside that, we have our kitchen. The kitchen, again, if you notice, is extremely huge, and the space that has been divided in the kitchen is in a very unique manner. So this side of the kitchen has still a lot of space, and you can design it however you like. And then this entire place of the kitchen, again, you have your exhaust fan. Right beside it, you have your window system given. Here as well, You have your proper basin. You can add your washing machine. If you want, you can add your washing machine there as well. You have electric units. You can add your fridge, your ovens, and everything more. Now, of course, this kitchen comes with a separate utility balcony. So if you want, you can add your washing machine on this corner as well. You have proper switches given there. You have proper drainage system over here. You can also use this for your laundry, to dry your clothes. And you again have a proper view system from this side of the balcony. Now, coming to the other corner of the kitchen, if you notice, you have one more spacious area of kitchen over here. So you can turn this into your storage room, or you can turn this into your servant storage room, or however you choose to. Now, on this corner of the house, you have a separate room given over here. If you want, you can turn this into your maid or your servant's room. You have proper electric switches, your fan switch, everything given. You have a proper window system as well given over here, and you have an attached washroom, which will obviously come with proper tilings, your ventilation system, shower system, and all of it. And if you notice, this side of the door that has been designed here directly takes you to the outside of your corridor. If you want, you can also turn this into your study area. Now, on this corner, we have a separate washroom given. So you have your basin over here, and this is going to be your common washroom. You can use it for your guests, for your kids, or however you like. This also has proper tilings, beautifully done inside the washroom. Your flooring again is exceptional, and you have proper basin system. Now, entering into your first bedroom. So this is going to be your first bedroom. Now, if you look, this is already very spacious, and you can have and design it in a very unique manner, you know, the dreamy room look. And on this corner, if you notice, you have a huge window system given over here for good amount of ventilation and sunlight. That side of the room as well, if you want, you can add your wardrobe, or you can design it however you like. Now, the other good thing is, instead of light switches, you have these electronic light switches system given over here. So you can use that, or you can add on your extra light switches system. Now, as we walk through this side of the corner, you will have your walk-in closet. If you can see, this is also very spacious. You can stand here, you can design it however you like, and then right in front of it, you will have your extremely large washroom, which comes with a huge shower system that has glassware attached to it. You have your mirror system. The tilings and floorings here again is very different. Now, this washroom also comes with your exhaust fan. Now, moving forward with our second room. So this is going to be your second bedroom. If you can already notice, each room in the house is extremely spacious, no matter your first room or your second room, and the designs are so unique and spacious that you can design it however you like. Now, this room again has a lot of space. That side you can add your bookshelf, this side you have your study table with your wardrobe, and still you have enough space on this side of the corner. Now, here if you can notice, you have a huge balcony system from which you will have a good view from the outside, good amount of ventilation directly right to your bedroom area. Now, this room also again has been designed in such a way that you can add a walk-in closet, and you still have space for standing or designing however you like. This washroom also again comes with a huge shower system. You have your glassware, you have your ventilation system given. If you notice, your flooring here again is very different and unique. Now, right in front of that, we have our third bedroom. So this is going to be a third bedroom. If you see, this is also again spacious and comes with a huge balcony system. This balcony also has proper light switches given, the flooring and all, everything is done perfectly, and you have good amount of ventilation directly coming inside of your room. If you can see, if you want, you can also design your home by giving wooden touches, which can also be used as your wardrobe on this corner. Now, this room also again has a wardrobe system. I have to say that this house is made very beautifully. On each space, you have different things that can be added inside of your house. And then again, your washroom is in front with your shower system given, and once again, a new set of tiles and flooring added to your washroom with proper mirror and shower system and your exhaust fan. Now, before we enter into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you exactly about Housey. So you see, as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will get all the information there about the project, like the location, and we give you actual location tour. Not just that, you will have EMI, down payment option, and exclusive pricing. We also give you a 360 virtual tour of our project on the website. Now, if you want more information on this, or if you want to schedule a site visit, you can either click on the link which is given in the description below, www.housey.com, or you can go to our website. Let's have a look at the room. So this is going to be your master bedroom. If you can already notice, this is just a little more, expansive than your other rooms, and the designing again has been done very beautifully in this room. You have your inbuilt lighting system here as well. You have your AC unit system given again. And if you notice, your entire balcony is attached over here, which is again large and huge. You have proper flooring done here. You have a railing system given here as well. And you have safety glassware for your safety. Now, if you look this side of your room's walk-in closet is going to be much more spacious than what we saw comparatively to your other rooms. If you want, you can add this type of mirror touch to your door, making your house look more unique. Now, your walk-in closet starts all the way from that side of the corner up to this end of the corner, and you still have space on this side of the corner of the room. So if you want, you can add a shoe rack or another extra wardrobe here to design and make it look beautiful. You have your electric switches given here, so you can add an extra dressing table here as well. Now, this is going to be your washroom. If you notice, your washroom has much more space compared to your other washrooms, and it is divided very nicely. So on one corner you have your shower system, one corner you have your wash basin system, and the other corner you have your toiletry system. You also just have your exhaust fan above it, and your tiling and your flooring again in the room, in the washroom is different. So everyone, that was all about DSR Skymark. Hope you liked the video. To enjoy such more through walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.